Welcome to the last episode of ISO 20000 awareness training. As a wrap up for our training, we will have this short quiz ourselves by the knowledge acquired through this training. Let's start with first. What is the primary objective of ISO 20000? The answer A is to define the cybersecurity standards for organization, to ensure IT services are managed effectively and align with business needs. I think this is very logic. To establish financial reporting guidelines. I don't think so. To monitor employees' performance. Yes, thank you very much. ISO 20000 is focusing on structured IT service management and aligning the IT services with business goals. So answer B is the correct answer. The next question, which of the following is a key benefit of implementing ISO 20000? So reducing the need for IT service management, increased cost with added value, improve service quality and customer satisfaction, less control over IT service management processes. Which one is the correct answer? Absolutely. The answer C is the correct answer. ISO 20000 will ensure that the service quality is improved, efficient, and you will achieve customer satisfaction. The third question, what is the first step in achieving ISO 20000 certification? Through conducting a gap analysis, hiring external auditor, implementing automation tools, or training employees on software. Very correct. We will start with the gap analysis. It is the first step to help us to identify the weaknesses and the gap between the current state and the future state, which is we need to reach to be a certified or to be ISO 20000 certified. How does ISO 20000 contribute to continual improvement? By defining one-time service management plan. It is not one time. By enforcing rigid service management structure. We don't need to have rigid. Yes. By applying plan, do, check, act cycle, PDCA cycle, or by eliminating the need for internal audits. Thank you very much. ISO 20000, as we illustrated before, is following the PDCA cycle, ensuring continuous monitoring and improvement, and will help you to refine your IT services. Which of the following is common challenge for organizations within the ISO 20000 implementation track? Too much executive support, poor IT service documentation, no need for internal audits, too few IT service requests. Very good. Poor documentation is one of the most critical and the common challenges in ISO 20000 implementation. You need to focus with your team to update ITSM documentation, have them, all of them updated, regularly reviewed. In the context of ISO 20000, what is the role of top management? Only monitoring, overseeing HR functions, approving policies, allocating resources, and ensuring compliance, or ignoring ITSM and focusing only on business. Let's to eliminate the unrelated answers. Only monitoring, top management, they are monitoring. Yes, they are monitoring, but not without involvement. Oversee HR functions instead of ITSM? No. Approving policies, yes, they have to approve policies, allocate resources, and ensure compliance. So the most correct answer, and the only one is correct here, is C, because the top management role is do not ignore ITSM implementation. So top management must actively support ISO 20000 by approving policies, ensuring resources, and monitoring compliance. Why is service level management important in ISO 20000? Because it is eliminating the need for IT governance, ensuring IT services meet agreed on SLAs. It prevents all IT service incidents. It only applies to government. Thank you very much. Service level management is very important to ensure that your IT services will achieve the agreed on SLA and ensure that you can measure and monitor your IT services. What is one major lesson learned from real world ISO 20000 implementations? Employee training is unnecessary. Is it? Internal audits are not required. Organizations need continuous monitoring. I think, yes, for sure. They need continuous monitoring and optimization. ITIL and COBIT cannot be integrated with ISO 20000. No, they can be integrated. So C is the correct answer. Organizations must continually monitor, optimize, improve their IT service management processes to maintain ISO 20000 certification. How do ITSM automation tools help in achieving ISO 20000 compliance? By replacing the need for IT managers, automating incident tracking, change management, SLA monitoring, making IT services less structured, manual data entry for better control. Yeah, sure. P is the correct answer because the ITSM tool will help us to automate services processes and ease the compliance on organizations so they can improve the service efficiency. The last question in this session, what should organizations do to ensure long-term compliance with ISO 20000? Stop monitoring after certification. This should be happen. Avoid updating ITSM processes. We have to continuously update the process. Conduct regular internal audits and the management reviews. Reduce service documentation to avoid. Yes, we need to conduct regular internal audit and management reviews. This will help us to maintain the ISO 20000. By this question, we reached the end of our today's session and the end of the ISO 20000 awareness training program. Thank you for attending this program. I hope that it was beneficial for you and for your organization. Wait us for upcoming awareness training courses. Please subscribe to the channel, activate the notification so you can receive our channel updates by the new courses. Please recommend for us what else we can provide for you as a training regarding IT related courses, either in ISO courses or security, AI, any other technology, or even in the emerging technology training. We will be waiting for your feedback and recommendation. Please leave your comments for us or send to me any review or any feedback to improve our courses. I would like to thank you again and hope to see you soon in future courses. Thank you very much and thank you for your attendance and goodbye.